Good afternoon, dear students. So today we shall study the examples on the trigonometry, that is on the formula L equal to r theta. Find the degree measure. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of circle. At the center of circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. So we want the degree measure of the angle. It means that we have to find the angle in degree, which is obtained at the center of circle. That angle should be at the center of the circle. The radius of the circle is 100 centimeter by an arc of length. This is the arc of length, that is 22 centimeters. So it means we want this angle in degree. So here given that radius is given, take r 100 centimeters, and arc length is take L equal 22 centimeter. So we want the theta is question mark. So we want theta, so we have the formula for theta is equal to L by r. The angle at the center is equal to the length of arc by radius of the circle. Length of arc is 22 centimeter, radius is 100 centimeter. This is in radian measure. Degree measure. In degree measure, now we have to write in degree measures. So we know that 1 radian is 3 degree. One radian is 180 by pi degree. So then pi by 6 radian is how much? Pi by 6 into 180 by pi, that is cancel 6 on 30. So 1 radian is 180 by pi degree. So theta is equal to 22 by 100. So 1 radian is 180 by pi. So these get cancelled, 0, 0. Then these 2 5s are 2, 6, 2 9s are 22 into 9 divided by 5 into value of pi. Use the value of pi is 22 by 7. This now 22 get cancels. So this 7 become numerator, 7 into 9 divided by 5. 63 divided by 5. So 63 divided by 5 is 5 ones are. Then 3 left, 330 means 6 are 12.6 degree. So angle at the center of circle is 12.6 degree. So we can also write like this: theta is equal to 12 degree plus 0.6 degree is small. So if the angle in degree is small, so we have to write in use minute and seconds. So 0.6 degree is how much minute? 0.6 into 30 minute, that is equal to 18 minute is 0.6 degree. So 60. 0.6 into 60 minute, 1 degree is 60 minute. So therefore 0.6 into 6 is 36 minute. that is equal to 36 minutes. So the answer is 12 degree 36 minutes, which is the angle at the center of the circle. Question is, of the circle, find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. Radius of the circle in which a central angle of 60 degree intercepts an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. Arc of length 37.4 centimeter. So here now we saw like this. So we want now radius, R the question mark. Given that central angle theta is 60 degree, arc of length is L equal to 37.4 centimeter. So this is given in degree, right, in radians. Radian is 60 into pi by 180. So 1 degree is pi by 180 radians. So 61 the 63 the. So it is pi by 3 radian. Pi by 3 radian is theta. So we can use the formula. We have the formula for R. Radius L is R is equal to L by theta. R is equal to L by theta. So R is equal to L is given 37.4 divided by theta is pi by 3. So R is equal to 37.4 into 3, it goes in numerator, divided by pi is 22 by 7. So this is equal to 37.4 into 3. This 7 become numerator, divided. So it is 5.7. When you solve this, we get the answer is 35.7 centimeter. Hand of a watch and of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? Move in 40 minutes. That is here the minute hand of a watch. You take this watch, it is 12, it is 3, 6, 9. So 40 minutes means the hand should become at 8. Suppose this is the minute hand. So the minute hand is start moving from the 12 and to become 40 minutes, it will be reach that 8. So the minute hand starting moving from 12 and they reach at 8. So this much angle we require. This is the angle subtended by these arc. And this is the tip of the minute hand. This is tip of the minute hand. So tip move on the circle. We want the length of. So how far does its tip move in 40 minutes? To become 40 minutes. So to become the time 40 minutes. So what is the distance traveled by the minute hand? So that is the question. So first we want the angle at the center by this arc. Given that the length of the minute hand is 1.5 centimeter. That will become radius. Radius of the circle is 1.5 centimeter. So for 40 minutes, what is the angle? Angle theta we record first. Then we have to find distance traveled by the tip of the hand. So it is L. So first in 40 minutes, what is the angle described by the hand at the center of the circle? So here, so for 60 minutes, the angle theta is for 60 minutes means one complete rotation for the minute hand, that is 360 degree. For 60 minutes the angle will be 360 degree. So for 1 minute, what is the angle? For 1 minute theta will be 360 divided by 60. So it is 6 degree. For 1 minute it is equal to 6 degree. And for 40 minutes we want, for 1 minute is 6 degree, for 2 minutes it is 2 into 6. For 40 minutes angle T 240 degree. So angle at the center is 240 degree. So now the formula L is equal to R theta. But when using the R equal L equal R theta, so theta must be in radian. So 240 into, that is pi by 180 radian. We have to convert degrees to radian. So this is 0 cancel. Then 6 3s are 6 4s are. So it will be get 4 pi by 3 radian. So now we know that the formula L is equal to R theta. L is equal to R is 1.5, theta is 4 pi by 3. So it is 1.5 into 4, 6 by 3 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. So it is 2 into 20. So 44 by 7 is 6.6. That is 7. 6 are 42. Means 2 carries 2. That means at 6.28 meter. So like this we can find. So suppose if in 50 minutes, suppose in 50 minutes what angle is? For 50 minutes the angle at the center is 300 degree. Same we convert into radian. 5 pi by 3 with the angle at radian for 50 minutes. And for 20 minutes, for 20 minutes is 20 into 6. For 20 minutes is 20 into 6, that is 12, 120 degree. 120 degree will be angle for 20 minutes. So like this, for different time, for different minutes, so we can find different angle at the center of the circle by remembering that the angle for 1 minute that is covered is 6 degree. The angle at the center in degree measure is 6 degree for 1 minute. That is covered by minute hand. Length of a minute hand, so we can find the tip, that is distance traveled by the tip of the minute hand. So this is an important example. A wire of length 10 centimeter is bent so as to form an arc of circle of radius 4 centimeter. What is the angle at the center in circular measure? So here one wire of length 10 centimeter. This is bent to form a circle. This is bent as a like this arc of circle. So length is 10 cm. Arc length is 10 centimeter. It is bent as a circle of radius is 4 centimeter. So R is equal to 4 centimeter. So what is the angle at the center in the circular measure? In circular measure is nothing but radian measure. Circular measure is radian measure. So theta we want. So we know the formula theta is equal to L by R. So theta L is 10 by 4. It is 5 by 2. It means 2.5 radian. It's simple. 2.5 radian.